operation log of the Cyclops. We are at this moment moving through the dense and occasionally treacherous jungles of the weedy shallows of our pond. Our goal is to record all of the single-celled life forms that we find on our transect. We have our motion picture camera rolling, and we'll try to photograph each organism so that our film becomes a scientific record of the single-celled organisms that live in the pond weed forest.
Look, Jonathan.
Slow to 1/3.
This is amazing.
Let's take a peek.
The Institute won't believe this.
That, Lyra, is precisely why we are filming everything. It's spring-loaded. Did you get film of that?
I can hardly wait to start editing. They're all attached to the same stalk.
It must be a colony of some kind.
We've seen these green cells before, but always as individual cells.
They appear to form colonies as well. Roll the film. No one will believe that a cell can actually walk.
Is it hunting those green algae cells?
Quite successfully, it would appear.
I'll say. It's another algae, with cells attached end to end.
There's the nucleus. But that band-shaped green structure, what might that be?
You know, Jonathan, we've seen similar green structures before. Could that be where photosynthesis occurs?
By Jove, I think you're onto something.
That cell must be attached by a line of some kind, too thin to see.
Diatoms are a type of algae we're very familiar with. They use oil droplets for buoyancy, and aboard the Cyclops, we use it as a lubricant and a fuel oil. The glass house that surrounds the diatom can be melted down to make windows and other silica-based implements. There it is, the same kind of blob that devoured my Uncle Jeremy.
According to my key, it's called an amoeba.
Another amoeba of some kind?
Yes, Jonathan, but this one lives in a shell.
That's the thickest flagellum we have ever seen.
And that one is the squiggliest.
Squiggliest?
Wow, some really big cells live in this weed patch.
Skipper, I suggest we steer clear of that one.
A prudent suggestion, Gyro.
While trying to find our way back to Duckweed Base, we have run into a bit of a snag. A predatory flatworm has caught our scent, and we are unable to evade its keen tracking sense. Hard left rudder!
It's not working.
Baron, old boy, we need more power.
Sir, something off the port side.
Snail eggs. Take us closer.
Jonathan, if the flatworm can pick up the scent of those snail embryos...
There's not much time. Take us in.
Changing course.
Look at that!
Safe for the moment, we watch the flatworm devouring the snail embryos instead of us.